Someone hums my Instagram every night at exactly 9:47 p.m. No likes, no comments, not a single word in 6 years. Last week, I finally found out who was behind that silent account, and I had to sit down on my kitchen floor. Maya was my best friend since the 3rd grade. She died 6 years ago, a car accident, 3 days before her 23rd birthday. Her mom, Diane, half-raised me too. Their kitchen was my second home. But after the funeral, we just drifted. It hurt too much to even look at each other. So when a friend showed me one of those tools that reveal who actually opens your profile the most, I only opened it out of curiosity. The number one spot wasn't my ex. It wasn't some nosy coworker. It was an account with no photo, no posts, and a name I didn't recognize. 217 opens in a single month. Then I noticed the numbers in the bio, a date, a birthday, Maya's birthday. It was Diane, and what she looked at gutted me. Almost every view landed on the same kind of post. Old photos, the ones with Maya in them, back when the three of us were inseparable, 88%. She barely touched my life now. She only came back for the version of me that still had her daughter in it. Then I checked the clock on every visit, 9:47 p.m., every single night. That was the exact minute Maya and I used to call each other before bed, for 9 years straight. Diane heard us laughing through that wall 1,000 times, and the spikes made it worse. 60 opens on Maya's birthday, 30 the night I posted that I finally landed the job we always dreamed about. I almost messaged her. Then a friend who lost her brother told me his best friend's mother sits at the top of her list too. That's when it clicked. Diane isn't stalking me. She's parenting a ghost. Every milestone I reach, she gets to picture Maya standing right beside me. I am the last window she has into the life her daughter never got to live. So before you assume the worst about the silent account at the top of your list, remember this. It might be someone carrying a love they were never allowed to say out loud, but you still deserve to know who is really watching you and why. You can see your whole list in under a minute. Check the link in the description.